Good morning students, class 11th. This is your maths teacher Vikram Chauhan, and today we are going to continue the concept of exercise 1.1. But before that we will take a small revision. In my last session I had explained you that what is the means of sets. Sets are the well defined collection of objects, okay? And I had also told you that we represent a set through the braces. Braces means these kind of brackets, okay? These kinds of brackets are called braces, okay? B-R-A-C-E-S, that is their technical name. Second thing, I had also told you that whatever things will come behind, okay, within this, they will be called the elements of this set, okay? Second thing, that we do not repeat any element within the set, and the name of the set is given with the capital letters, okay? And now today I am going to explain you how we can represent a set. See, sets can be represented in two ways. Representation of sets. Sets can be represented in two ways, two forms. First form is called roster form, and the second name of roster form is tabular form, okay? This is the first type, roster form or tabular form, and the second form is set builder form, okay? Just see it on the board in a very proper way, the two forms of the representation of the sets. Okay, seen students, so the definition of the roster form is, but before starting of the definition, we will study these two forms one by one, okay? And today we will discuss about the roster form or the tabular form, and we will do the questions which are related to these forms, okay? So what is the definition of a roster form? All the elements of the set are listed. Listed means they will be written, okay? The elements are being separated by commas and enclosed within the braces. Means if we will do like this, A equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay, it means we have listed the element. Listed means we are showing all the elements which are coming in this set. In this set, which elements are coming? List of elements, na? 1, 2 and 3. And what we do? The elements are being separated by commas, and these all elements are separated by these commas and enclosed within braces, and we had just enclosed them within one braces. So whenever you will see any set in this form, it means it is written in the roster form. Roster form means all the elements of set we can see, okay, within the set, okay? Just take the question number 3 of your exercise 1.1, okay? Just take it. Now see exercise 1.1, question number 3. Write the following sets in roster form, okay? Roster form, I had already explained you that you have to write all the elements in a listing way, okay? See the first one. Question 3, part first. Question 3, part first is saying, set A is given, name of the set is A. X is such that, see, one more thing. If anywhere is written like this, okay, it means X is such that. And one more thing which we will discuss in next session, that all the things in question number 3, they are actually written in the set builder form. Set builder form, I am just giving you one idea that in this form we take a general thing, okay? And then we define it, that what is X. I just told you, no, X is such that. And now in this question I will explain you that what is actually X. And we will put some condition, and according to that condition we will find out all our elements, okay? So just read it. X is such that X is an integer. It means this X is an integer, and it is given like this, -3, and what is given? Just do one correction in your books, that in some books it is written like this, but it is also having the equality sign, okay? So just do the correction in your books. Now this question is saying X is such that X is an integer. Okay, they had defined X, that X is an integer, and the value of X lies between -3 and 7 in such a way that -3 is included but 7 is not included. Okay, so how to write it in roster form? Write the name of the set. Okay, so -3 will come. It means we have to write all the elements. -3 will come. Integers -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and close it. Understood? In this way we will write the things in the roster form, in the form of the listing of the elements. Okay, now see part second. In part second it is saying x is such that x is a natural number. Okay, keep this thing in mind. X is a natural number less than 6. So we all know natural number starts from 1. So 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 will come, 4 will come, 5 will come. Okay, because we have to take natural numbers less than 6. Okay, now come on part third. Name of the set is C. Okay, so first of all see it. It is saying x is such that x is a 2-digit natural number. Okay, 2-digit number, first thing, and second thing, it is a natural number such that sum of its digits is 8. Means we have to write all the 2-digit numbers in such a way then that when we will add the digits, it will come, the sum will come 8. So how to do it? There is one method, there is one way, there is one trick. So what is the trick? We needed a sum 8 now. Okay, so from 0 write the counting up to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now write this counting in a reverse order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now check. 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 0 plus 8 is also 8, but it is not a 2-digit number. 0, 8 means 8. It is a 1-digit number. Okay, so we will take only these numbers. Okay, so write down 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. Okay, write them in sequence. I was not having the space here, that's why I written here. Okay, understood? Now see part fourth. Okay student, now see on the board question number 3, part 5th. We have to again write this set in the roster form, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Okay, so we have to take this words. This is a word and we have to take all the letters. So how to take? I had told you this thing that within set no element is repeated. It means we will take all the letters but without repetition. T, it is coming 2 times, we will take only 1 time. R, it is coming 2 times, we will take only 1 time. I, 1 time. G, 1 time. O coming 2 times, take only 1 time. N, 1 time. M, okay, 1 time. E, 1 time. Y, 1 time. Okay, so our answer will be name of the set is E. Okay, so E will be equals to T, comma R, comma I, comma O, comma N, comma M, comma E, and comma Y. Understood now? So whenever any word is given to you and they said that you have to write the set of a letter. So take all the letters but do not repeat any letter. Okay. Question numbers 3rd part 6 is same. We have to list all the letters of the word better. So do it by yourself. And one more thing, you have to complete question number 5 also. Okay, question number 5 also we have to list the element. List means we have to write these sets in the roster form as in the same way as we had done question number 3. Okay, so complete up to question number 3 and question number 5 also in your fair notebooks. Question 4 and question 6 we will do in our next session, in which I will first of all explain you set builder form. Okay, thank you very much.